The first step in making a yo-yo using the finger pressing method is to trace a circle onto your fabric and then cut your fabric out. And to start, we're just going to turn over the edge approximately a 1/4 inch and come up from behind. You can use regular thread, double it. A heavier weight thread is even better if you have it, a 12 weight, a carpet thread. So you're going to get started, and then we're just going to be what we call finger pressing and getting our stitch about a 1/4 inch around as we finger press. It's a little tricky at first, but not hard to do. Just see how I move it around. Try to keep the stitch about the same distance from the edge. So we'll go all the way around. And then once my needle gets full like this, I go ahead and I'll pull my thread so you can see the start of the shaping of the final yo-yo. We'll go back around, continue our stitches, and then once we're completed, we'll pull the thread again to get our final yo-yo shape. And when you get closer to the end, you may want to go ahead and do a stitch that's close to where your beginning stitch started. And I have all those gathers on the needle. So using a little longer needle can be helpful. Just any sharp embroidery style needle that you can thread easily, depending on your eyesight, will be helpful. And there you can see, I'm going to shape that and then pull that together. Try to get it as round and good looking as possible. And I will go back through a stitcher, some of the gathers around the edge, just to secure those gathers. One more stitch I'll take, and then I'll go ahead and tie it off. You can take a stitch through the middle. Just be careful, because if you are making the yo-yo character and you're going to be putting and use the pipe cleaner method, you might break your stitch when you put the hole there. So another option is not to take the stitch all the way through and just take your needle out an edge. I knotted my needle here already, so I can just take this out a side, and then I'll cut right here and my thread will be hidden. So there you have it, made with our finger pressing method, your yo-yo.